Saan na tayo rito mamaya-maya, tutunugin to isa-isang mga China brand na linery. Ang style pala nito mga boss, ganito, una si Joson from left, then sunod si Prostax sa right side, then next ulit Joson, dalawa kasing model pala ni Joson na linery, sunod ulit si Joson, then si Sync Audio, pag ganun po salitan, then Sandy Audio, then Concert. Okay, sa 18 tapos di 15. Yan yung model ng sub ni Joson na sa ano niya, GX UB 228 passive, tapos ito active ditong unang linery niya na NS 218 dual 18. Yun, ayan to si Sandy Audio. Sandy Audio, pakita lang natin. Okay, tingnan natin yung likod ng Sandy Audio na sub. Okay, passive din pala ang Sandy Audio na ginamit sa sub nila. B5 ang model, Sandy V5 dual 18 niya na to. Okay, ayan po, dual 18 nga po. Ayan, single 21 ang ginamit sa Kibler, 20-21 ang size. Shoutout sir. Yun mga shoutout po sa inyo. Ayun, sa Beta 3 ito naman. Shoutout po sa inyo mga sir. Baka naman sticker. Sticker lang kaya ko ngayon sir. Shoutout sa mga viewer ko nandito sa Music Manila. Ayan po, shoutout sa inyo. Picture. No. Grabe dito natulog. Sige pa sir, okay, ang Beta 3 ito yan na video namin doon sa Forerunner mga sir. Ayan, PL218 BF2 passive na subwoofer ng Beta 3. Ayan yung linery na video ko doon sa Forerunner Technologies. Hello, acoustic drive. Yo, tingnan ko yung sub. Active ang ginamit nila na sub, Flex 928A dual 18 na sub mga boss, powered subwoofer. Tapro.
Step right up and experience the future of sound.
Tingnan natin yung likod ng Tapro
2025 speed.
Tapro, okay, blurred. Tapro APK 18 SA. Yan, active. Single 18 po na sub mga boss ang ginamit na subwoofer ng Tapro sa linery nila. Yun o. So tapos ito naman si Concert. Yan yung linery niya. Concert, model ng Concert DB218. Yan, dual 18 po ang laman ng sub, passive. Okay, then ito si Sync Audio. Sync Audio po, Sync Audio. Yan, tingnan natin yung sub nya. Ang model ay yan po, SA221, dual 21 inches ang laman ng sub nya, active na subwoofer. Okay ha, panalo rin oh. Ganda ng texture ng pintura oh. The last one is si Prostax. Ang model ng sub niya ay Prostax ay SR218 dual 18 and tapos yun, RMS niya 1000 watts. Thank you.
Don't just hear about it, come and feel it live. Let's start it up and make some noise.
sa Joson.
AL12
kabila
active
naman tayo.
line RA speaker and NS218 active subwoofer.
Dito tayo sa China brand naman.
Let's hear it.
Tayo kay Joson. Isa sa mga China brand na linery. Joson yung nakasalang. Joson yan ha, nakasalang. Yan, mukhang maganda pa napili ni Joson yan ng music ha. Sa karaan taon. Hindi kasi medyo maganda eh. Kaya maganda na mga music na pipili oh.
There you have it, Joson.
Yun oh,
Solid,
Joson.
powerful, and razor sharp sound.
Mga China
Up
brand.
next, ProStat 210.1 line
Ano, salitan.
and SR218 subwoofer.
Pro stocks naman.
Let's take a
You
look.
might be missing some of the benefits that stereo can provide.
Maganda pirada ni Pro Stock ha. Manny Pacquiao, pasok! Drop tsaka dyan, yung tsaka mid. Maganda rin pumili ha.
It's your song, let's see it, but don't go dope. I'ma try to do the things that you that thing that's got me like wow. I'm tryna beat it up 12 rounds. Girl, honey.
Ganda pinili ng music ni Pro Stock.
And it's been and God, I know
Labas yung boses.
things that it was.
Let's hear it for ProStats, the sound giant that stacks up in the power, layers, and the clarity, and drops every beat like it's built for the big beats. Up next, Joson, active line.
Dalawang model kasi pala sinalang ni Joson
Active
ng linery niya.
Let's hear it.
Say I'm lazy, blind, I see everything. I look before
Joson pa rin.
Up next, Sync Audio.
So, dito naman salitan.
And Sync 221 subwoofer.
Sync audio
Let's
ito.
hear it.
all your time.
Linaw din ito.
Second chance. I need some distraction. Oh, weightless and maybe find some peace in the arms of
Sync audio pa rin yan tumutunog.
very proud on their feet.
Next is Sandy
Up
Audio.
next, Sandy Audio.
Oh, salitan nga.
Let's hear it.
Sandy Audio.
I'm also a person. If you wanna read, go on and read them. Love walked out a while ago. Not sure if I can't be your in between.
The winds blow harder, cloud it down, oh blow my Bibles, take that well. Long, long hair with a perfect smile, took you by the hand, said, oh yeah, I've been waiting for someone like you.
Let's hear it for Sandy Audio. Up next, Concert Pro Audio.
Yun, concert line na rin.
DV210 line array speaker and DV210B and DV218 subwoofer. Let's hear it.
So the queen from her
Concert yan na naka-play.
and bounded the seas be ours and by we roam. All hands hoist the colour.
Oh, next track. Next track, concert. Concert pa rin yan, tumutunog.
That's why I did succeed sooner than maybe other musicians that maybe were better songwriters, I don't know, better lyricists.
That was Concert Pro Audio.
Yun, thank you, thank
And
you.
that concludes our outer speaker demo.
Ngayon sa Mouse TV. Hindi namin papanood.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Let's proceed to Kevlar.
Okay, Kevlar.
Of line array speaker and VTX 21S subwoofer. Let's hear it, Kevlar.
Gentle is the rain
Si Kevlar.
on the mountain, serenade the clouds with
I find my way home. Play, what's that sound? What's that thing that's got me like wow? I'm tryna be when you back it up and you drop it down low. When you pick, throw it up, start twerking like Miley.
Give a hand to Kevlar.
Yun, next is Top Pro.
Up next, Top Pro.
Yun.
ATX28HA line array speaker and ATX18SA subwoofer.
Inabangan ko rin to talaga si Beta 3 dito. Yung binidyo namin na line na rin nila.
Where you say you've been? It doesn't matter.
Daming sub ni Top Pro.
that's why I love you. True colors.
Top Pro po yan. Yan ha, tumutunog. Next is Beta 3 tayo.
Up next, B3. 312F line array speaker.
Yan yung binidyo namin last 3 weeks ago doon sa Forerunner.
The following tracks have been selected to highlight the system's
Uy,
clarity,
maganda
headroom,
music,
and
ah.
dynamic range. Track 1 highlights mid-range and vocals.
You light in the dark. You're the glow in a crystal.
Track 2 features smooth, warm, and detailed guitar tones.
Abot po ng 2.7 million po buong set niyan, kasama na yung power amp dyan.
Track 3 brings in the dual 18-inch subs. Deep, powerful bass
2.7 million
with a
po
solid
lahat yan.
punch.
Kasama yung power amp ng Beta 3.
Full bandwidth handling, strong vocals, solid lows, and smooth top end.
Ganda rin pagkapili ng mga music ng Beta 3.
Now let's hear how it performs under pressure. Guitars, drums, and cymbals
Yun, oh,
all
lalaban
stay
lahat yan.
defined. Beta 3 delivers what matters most in a professional line array. Crystal clear vocals, powerful low end, and consistent full range coverage that holds together at any volume, in any venue, with any genre.
Ganda pagkapili ng mga tracks.
Oh Lord, I feel fine today. Walking on
Offering excellence since 1988, B3 is exclusively distributed by Forerunner Technologies.
Yun o, Forerunner. Shout out sa inyo.
B3.
The last is AD.
Next, AD Pro. Heritage
Acoustic
Schumann
drive.
line array speaker and Flex 9288 subwoofer. Let's take a listen.
Acoustic drive.
love on my shoulders. My heart had grown colder. Your kiss has left me bruised. I hide in front, right next to you.
Thank you, AD. Spectator, oh.
There you have it, AD Pro.
No, thank you,
Up
AD.
next.
Oh.